Welcome to HardReset.Info channel. As you will see in front of me printer Epson L3160, and now I'm gonna show you how to perform printhead alignment on this device. To do it, you need to open the settings, then find the maintenance is the first item, then click right three times, and when you printhead alignment, click OK, and now we can perform vertical or horizontal alignment. For example, I'm gonna try to do it with vertical, then click on it and click start. Okay, cool. Look at the printout and choose boxes with the least lines. On the next screen, select the number. So, where I have the least lines, I have it on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let's start. Click OK. Then select the number. I need. So row. In the first row I have it in the 4 and in the 5. Okay. On the second row I have it on the 5, 6 and 7. So, but on the 7 I see it very good. On the 3 I have it on the 7 again. Again 7. Again 7. 7 again. And 6. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.